Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to edit images using Leonardo AI for free. We will learn how to fix deformities, add or erase objects, switch backgrounds, and more. First, you'll need to create a Leonardo AI account so you can follow this tutorial step by step. For your convenience, the sign up link is down in the description below. Just click the link and create your account. Then, open the Leonardo AI Canvas editor. Click on AI Canvas under User Tools and upload your image. Let's start with an example where the right hand in our image is deformed. Drag a box over the area you want to edit and adjust the size. Then, select the mask tool, adjust the brush size, and fill over the part you want to fix. In the prompt box, describe your edit. For instance, if you're fixing a hand, specify the change and use a negative prompt like "no extra fingers" to avoid errors. Make sure to use the same model the image was originally generated with. Here, we'll use DreamShaper V7. Once ready, click Generate. The AI will now fix the deformity. Next, let's modify an expression. If we want to close the mouth in an image, mask the area and type your prompt, making sure to set negative prompts for any unwanted changes. After generating, the new expression will be applied. Now, let's add an object. Delete the image and upload another one. Position the box where you want to add something, like a mic. Draw a mask outline for the mic, enter the prompt, and generate. The AI will place the object within the image. To erase an object, use the Eraser tool. Select the area to remove, erase it, and regenerate the image. This will remove the object perfectly. You can use the same technique to extend an image by increasing the box size and turning on the outpaint. The AI will expand the image seamlessly based on your prompt. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.